Hello to all, I am Saurabh Bhargava. Today we will learn abbreviations. This is helpful for all competitive examinations. AC, alternating current or air conditioner. Alternating current is an electronic current in which the flow of electric charge periodically reverses direction, whereas in direct current the flow of electric charge is only in one direction. Like in this example, direct current flows in the straight line and alternating current in the sine wave. AID, Agency for International Development. It provides economic development and humanitarian assistance around the world. AM, antimeridiem, that is before noon, in the morning. In Latin, antimeridiem means before midday, and PM, postmeridiem, means after midday. AIFE, All India Football Federation. It improves and popularizes the game of football constantly and promotes it throughout India. AIMS, All India Institute of Medical Science. It's a medical college and research university. Asian, Association of Southeast Asian Nations. It comprises of 10 Southeast Asian states, namely Indonesia, Malaysia, Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, Brunei, Cambodia, Laos, Myanmar, Vietnam. ABM, anti-ballistic missile. It's surface-to-air missile. It counters ballistic missile. Ballistic missiles are used to deliver nuclear, chemical, biological, and conventional warheads. ADB, Asian Development Bank. It fights against poverty in Asia and the Pacific. Both in Asia and Pacific there are 67 members of ADB. Its headquarters is in Philippines. AICTE, All India Council of Technical Education. It is an statutory body. AIDS, Acquired Immunodeficiency Syndrome. It is caused by infection with the human immunodeficiency virus, HIV. World's AIDS Day is on 1st December. AIR, All India Radio, used for broadcast. Originally it was founded in 1930. It was devised from the Prasar Bharati, officially known since 1956 as Akashvani. APEC, Asia Pacific Economic Cooperation, promotes free trade throughout the Asia Pacific region. ASLV, Augmented Satellite Launch Vehicle. It had a 5-stage solid fuel rocket. It was developed by ISRO. It could load 150 kg satellite into LEO, lower Earth orbit. ASI, Archaeological Survey of India. It protects the national and international monuments and sites. ASSOCHAM, Associated Chambers of Commerce of India. ASVAC, Airborne Surveillance, Warning and Control. ATS, Anti-Tetanus Serum. BAMS, Bachelor of Ayurveda Medicine and Surgery. BARC, Bhava Atomic Research Center. Nuclear Research Center of India. It's a Nuclear Research Center of India, BBC, British Broadcasting Corporation. Its headquarters is in London. It is also the world's largest, oldest national broadcasting organization. BC, Before Christ. BCCI, Board of Control for Cricket in India. It was registered under the Tamil Nadu Societies Registration Act. BAIL, Bharat Electronics Limited. Indian Aerospace and Defence Company. Bureau of Indian Standards. B Pharma, Bachelor of Pharmacy, BSF, Border Security Force, BHEL, Bharat Heavy Electronics Limited, India's largest power plant equipment manufacturer, CBSE, Central Board of Secondary Education, CCEA, Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Its chairman is Prime Minister. CDMA, Code Division Multiple Access, CAG, Comptroller and Auditor General. CBI, Central Bureau of Investigation. CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute. CID, Criminal Investigation Department. CNG, Compressed Natural Gas. CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. CRR, Cash Reserve Ratio. CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. CSO, Central Statistical Organization. CTS, Computerized Tomography Scanner. CVC, Central Vigilance Commission. DDT, Dichloro-diphenyl trichloroethane. DIG, Deputy Inspector General. DM, District Magistrate. DNA, Dioxyribonucleic acid. DPAP, Drought Prone Area Program. DRDO, Defense Research and Development Organization. DTH, Direct to Home. DVD, Digital Versatile Disc. EEG, Electroencephalogram. EMF, Electromotive Force. ERDA, Energy Research and Development Administration. EVM, Electronic Voting Machine. Exim Bank, Export-Import Bank of India. FAO, Food and Agricultural Organization. FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. FBTR, Fast Breeder Test Reactor. FCI, Food Corporation of India. FERA, Foreign Exchange Regulation Act. FEMA, Foreign Exchange Management Act. FICCI, Federation of India Chambers of Commerce and Industry. FIPB, Foreign Investment Promotion Board. FIR, First Information Report. FTII, Films and Television Institute of India. FTZ, Free Trade Zone. GAIL, Gas Authority of India Limited. GATT, General Agreement on Tariff and Trade. GIC, General Insurance Corporation. GMT, Greenwich Mean Time. GNP, Gross National Product. GPF, General Provident Fund. GPO, General Post Office. GPS, Global Positioning System. GSI, Geological Survey of India. HAC, Hindustan Aluminium Corporation. HAL, Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. HCF, Highest Common Factor. HDFC, Housing Development Finance Corporation. HIV, Human Immunodeficiency Virus. HMT, Hindustan Machine Tools. HYVS, High Yield Variety Seeds. IAAI, International Airport Authority of India. IAC, Indian Airlines Corporation. IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. IARI, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. ICAR, Indian Council of Agricultural Research. ICBM, Intercontinental Ballistic Missile. ICC, International Cricket Council. ICICI, Industrial Credit and Investment Corporation of India Limited. ICJ, International Court of Justice. IDA, International Development Agency. IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. IFA, Indian Football Association. IFFI, International Film Festival of India. IFCO, Indian Farmers Fertilizers Cooperative. IFTU, International Federation of Trade Unions. IIPA, Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIS, Indian Institute of Science, Indian Institute of Technology, IMF, International Monetary Fund, INS, Indian Naval Ship, INSAT, Indian National Satellite, INTELSAT, International Telecommunication Satellite, IOC, Indian Oil Corporation or International Olympic Committee, IPC, Indian Penal Code, IQ, Intelligence Quotient, IRDA, Insurance Regulatory Development Authority, IRDA, Integrated Rural Development Program, ISB, Indian Standard Bureau, ISO, International Organization for Standardization, ISP, Internet Service Provider, Indian Space Research Organization, ISRO, IST, Indian Standard Time, ITBP, Indo-Tibet Border Police, ITDC, Indian Tourism Development Corporation, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource, Laser Light Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation of India, LLB, Bachelor of Law, LOC, Line of Control between India and Pakistan, LOAC, Line of Actual Control between India and China, LPG, Liquefied Petroleum Gas, MA, Master of Arts, Measure, Microwave Amplification by Stimulated Emission of Radiation, MBA, Master of Business Administration, MLA, Member of Legislative Assembly, MNC, Multinational Corporation, MODVAT, Modified Value Added Tax, NABARD, National Bank for Agricultural and Rural Development, NACO, National AIDS Control Organization, NAFED, National Agricultural and Marketing Federation, NASCOM, National Association of Software and Service Companies, NATO, National Atlantic Treaty Organization, NCERT, National Council of Educational Research and Training, NDA, National Defense Academy, NEFA, Northeast Frontier Agency, NEPA, National Environment Protection Authority, NHRC, National Human Rights Commission, NIDA, New Nuclear Industrial Development Authority, NPT, Nuclear Non-Proliferation Treaty, NRDC, National Research and Development Corporation, NREP, National Rural Employment Program, NRI, Non-Resident Indian, NSC, National Security Council, NSSO, National Sample Survey Organization, NTPC, National Thermal Power Corporation, Oil India Limited, ONGC, Oil and Natural Gas Commission, PIN, Postal Index Number, POTA, Prevention of Terrorism Act, PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, PTI, Press Trust of India, PRO, Public Relations Officer, PVC, Polyvinyl Chloride, Radar, Radio Angle, Direction and Range, RAW, Research and Analysis Wing, R&D, Research and Development, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, RDX, Research Developed Explosive, RNA, Ribonucleic Acid, RPM, Revolutions per Minute, SARC, South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAI, Sports Authority of India, SAIL, Steel Authority of India Limited, SC, Supreme Court, SCI, Shipping Corporation of India, SDR, Special Drawing Rights, SEBI, Security Exchange Board of India, SEDB, Small Industries Development Bank of India, SLV, Satellite Launch Vehicle, SPCA, Society for the Prevention of Cruelty of Animals, STD, Subscriber Trunk Dialing, STPI, Software Technology Parks of India, TA, Traveling Alliance, Telex, Teleprinter Exchange, TOEFL, Test of English as a Foreign Language, TRAI, Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. TRIPS, Trade Related Intellectual Property Rights. UDC, Upper Division Clerk. UFO, Unidentified Flying Object. UGC, University Grants Commission. UNCTAD, United Nations Conference on Trade and Development. UNDP, United Nations Development Programme. UNEP, United Nations Environment Programme. UNESCO, United Nations Economic, Social and Cultural Organization. UNFPA, United Nations for Population Activities. UNHCR, United Nations High Commission for Refugees. UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. UNO, United Nations Organization. UPS, Uninterrupted Power Supply. UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. VAT, Value Added Tax. VC, Vice Chancellor. VIP, Very Important Person. VRS, Voluntary Retirement Scheme. VSSC, Vikram Sarabhai Space Center. WEF, World Economic Forum. WHO, World Health Organization. WILL, Wild as in local loop. WPI, Wholesale Price Index. WTO, World Trade Organization. WWW, World Wide Web. ZSI, Zoological Survey of India. Keep watching, don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.